Phylum Nematoda or Nemathelminthes. Similarly, Nemathelminthes or Nematoda is derived from Greek words nema, which is thread, plus helminths, worm. The animals of phylum Nemathelminthes are bilaterally symmetrical, multicellular and triploblastic. Their body is cylindrical, tapering towards ends. There are tissues. Real organs are absent, although pseudocoelom is present. They are mostly parasitic disease-causing, example, ascaris causing ascariasis, Wuchereria causing elephantiasis, and enterobius causing enterobiasis. Some common examples of Nemathelminthes are ascaris, Wuchereria, enterobius, and Encyclostoma hookworm.